There's a few things that I think that you can do that are inexpensive that really help show off your home in the way it looks. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's Jerry McManus from Keller Williams here. Today, we're going to talk about increasing your home's saleability. One of the things that, as this market shifts, it's going to be a very important thing that we start to getting into our A game as far as how your house is seen when folks come over to see it. And there's a few things that I think that you can do to really help, that are inexpensive, that really help show off your home in the way it looks. The number one thing I think is going to be very important is lighting. Now, this is going to seem really kind of strange, but I can't tell you how many times I've been to somebody's house and I noticed this, be it in a chandelier or be it in a light fixture in the bathroom. When you take a look at them, you'll see that all the bulbs are not uniform and some of them are actually even blown. This is one of those things that really does help darken a room and then make things look odd. And sometimes people don't even know why it looks odd, but like you walk into an area that would normally be brightly lit, say they're in the foyer or like I said, the bathroom earlier on, and all the light bulbs aren't working, it really does detract from the overall beauty of your house. Number two, you want to purge out unwanted items. Now, I have 5 children. You may not know that. And over the years, I have accumulated massive amounts of stuff. What you want to do is you want to go through your areas of storage, whether it's your basement, a crawl space, an attic, or you can even go into the closet. Go in there and eliminate whatever it is that you're not going to bring to your next location. And this is an extremely important thing. When you have too many things in your house, it shrinks your house. You want to have the house look bigger, look more open, look like it's got more utility. The third thing I think is going to be very important is the idea of trimming and I'll try this again. The third thing that you want to do is both to eliminate or trim back trees and bushes. Years ago, people used to plant all kinds of trees next to their house. Well, fast forward 20, 30 years later, these trees are enormous. They go all the way up to the second story. They're touching up against the house. They're touching where your gable vent is. What that does is that gives access. It's like a breeding ground. It's like a magnet for insects and rodents, think squirrels, to get into your attic. And sometimes even debris can pile up from the trees and from the bushes into your gutter. That really, during the winter time, whatever precipitation comes, they could ice dam into your house and people will think you have a leaky roof where you don't. What you have is a clogged gutter. Please keep those 3 things in mind when it comes to prepping your house to show, because what will wind up happening, you will definitely reap the benefit of that little bit of work that you do towards your house as you go to show. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.